What if I told you that 6,000 years ago, ancient Sumerians knew about planets we only discovered recently, and that there's one planet they described that we've never seen? Today we know our solar system has 8 planets: Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, discovered in the last 250 years. But Sumerian texts speak of 12 celestial bodies. 12, including a planet still hidden from us. Could it be the lost 12th planet? Before the 1700s, people believed the solar system had only 7 members. Earth wasn't counted, it was seen as the center of everything. That's why our weekdays are named after ancient planets. Sunday, Sun. Monday, Moon. Mars, Tuesday. Mercury, Wednesday. Jupiter, Thursday. Venus, Friday. Saturn, Saturday. But the Sumerians knew more. They divided the sky into 3 major bands, just like our zodiac today. The path of Enlil, northern sky. The path of Anu, the central band, the zodiac. The path of Ea, southern sky. The 12 zodiac constellations we use today come directly from Sumerians. They named them after shapes they saw in the sky. Heavenly Bull, Taurus. Twins, Gemini. Crab's Claws, Cancer. Lion, Leo. Maiden, Virgo. Scales, Libra. Scorpion, Scorpio. Archer, Sagittarius. Goatfish, Capricorn. Water bearer, Aquarius. Fish, Pisces. Ram, Aries. Their zodiac is the origin of ours, 6,000 years old. In the early 1900s, researchers reconstructed a complete Mesopotamian astrolabe. It wasn't a normal instrument. It was divided into 12 slices and 3 rings, making 36 sections. Half a century, nobody understood the meaning of its numbers, until someone realized the Sumerians did not believe Earth was flat. The numbers represent degrees of the sky exactly like we measure today. The astrolabe's numbers match sky geometry: 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, the geometry of a globe. The path of Enlil covered 60 degrees near the northern skies. The path of Anu centered the equatorial zone. The path of Ea led toward the south. Their measurements only make sense if the Earth is a sphere. Sumerians also knew about precession, the slow wobble of Earth's axis that takes 25,920 years. Modern science discovered this much later, but the Sumerians tracked each era. Age of Taurus, 4,400 BCE. Age of Aries, 2,200 BCE. Age of Pisces, 60 CE. Age of Aquarius today. They understood the great year thousands of years before the Greeks. The Sumerians used a base 60 number system. Not 10 like we use today, but 60. And somehow they knew perfect values for 360 degrees in a circle, 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 12 months, 24 hours. These aren't random. They form a mathematical system tied to astronomy as if someone taught it to them already complete. The Sumerians didn't just watch the skies, they measured them. Their star catalogs list fixed stars, moving stars, and planetary paths. They tracked rising times, setting times, seasonal movement, planetary retrograde, all thousands of years before modern telescopes. One tablet stands out. It's called MUL, Mul meaning the stars. It describes a group of 12 objects moving together across the sky. Not 12 constellations, but 12 celestial bodies. This list includes planets we didn't know existed until modern times. So how did they know? Why 12? 12 shows up everywhere in ancient knowledge. 12 zodiac signs, 12 months, 12 major gods, 12 heavenly bodies in their system. For Sumerians, the universe worked in cycles of 12. And this wasn't symbolic, it was astronomical. Here's the most shocking part. Their list of celestial bodies includes the sun, the moon, and 10 planets. But we only have 8, which means The Sumerians counted 12 major objects in our system, including a mysterious extra world. They described its orbit as long, elliptical, and returning to the inner solar system only every few thousand years. A planet beyond Pluto, a world we still haven't found. The lost 12th planet. How did a civilization from 4000 BC know the shape of Earth, the precession of the equinoxes, and planets we discovered in the last century? Were they taught by someone? Did they inherit knowledge from a lost advanced culture? Or did they witness something in the sky that we've forgotten? Whatever the answer, the mystery of the 12th planet lives on.